Alright, hi guys, so this video is going to be a little bit different. This is going to be my perfume collection video or my scents collection video, or I don't know what you say. So I'll just put at the title Perfume Collection 2014. If you don't know this about me, I love perfumes. I love fragrance mists. In Jamaica we call them body splash. Love scents, absolute favorite. So let's start out with the scents I have from Bath and Body Works, which is not a lot. I just have two, and this is their fragrance mist. You guys remember I did a haul? Yeah, I think I gave one away or two away, something like that. But this one is in Twilight Woods, and this is, I don't know, I love musty smells. So this is musty and has a little bit of vanilla in there as well. I love how this is. So let me just spray, gas bubble. And this one is called White Citrus, and this one I do not favor at all. I wear this like in the house, around the house. So in Jamaican terms, this is a yard perfume. So I wear this in the house. I don't wear it out. I don't like how it smells. It's very citrusy. So if you love citrus smells, this is definitely the scent for you. Next I want to talk about my Flash Jimmy Choo. Listen, this and another one that I'll be showing you guys shortly. This is hands down my two of my favorites. I have two favorite, and Jimmy Choo Flash, is it Flash Jimmy Choo is absolutely, and I love how the bottle is. It's just so nice and cute. And I cannot describe this scent. It's very, it's sweet. It's fresh. It's sweet. It's fresh. It's just, I love it. I love it. And I don't like. I mean, I'm just down to a little bit. So I'm using up all the perfumes that I don't like in a huge effort to keep that one alive and strong. Along with my Versace Bright Crystal. If you guys, this is definitely a fresh scent. It's rosy. But not, to me it's not too rosy. I love Versace Bright Crystal. The Versace Bright Crystal along with Flash Jimmy Choo are definitely two of my favorite scents, hands down. This one is Burberry, and I don't think it's like Burberry by Burberry. It just says Burberry, and I throw away the box. I don't keep my stuff, only just a few collectors that, you know, I keep the box for her. But the box for this did worry, so I'm just like chunk on that shit there. So this is Burberry. And this is what the bottle looks like. So you can probably search Burberry perfume, and yeah, you can just see what the bottle looks like. So you can purchase it. That has no writing on it at all. It is rectangular, and let me see if I can describe how this smells for you. This is a very mature smell. I'm not too fond of this smell. I just purchased this well, got as a gift. But I'm not too fond of this smell. It's mature. It is very yeah, it's just mature. I don't know. This is definitely a night perfume. If you're into those, if you should wear it in the day, if you should wear it in the night, this is definitely a night perfume, because it just I don't know, like towards in the day would be too much, I think. And by the smell of this, you only need like just a little bit, just like bam bam, and it will keep you scented for the entire night. This is Prada, and which Prada is this? Oh my god, I throw in the box. But it's not Prada candy. I had Prada candy, which again, I love the smell of Prada candy. But it's what it looks like. So Prada candy is the one that has the pink going around. This don't have the pink going around. This one is just like the normal Prada. It's called Prada. Oh, this is called Prada candy. Okay, so look, this Prada candy looks like this. If you search Prada candy, you see another one that has pink. But this Prada candy looks like this. Let me see if I can describe the scent to you guys. Because you know, when you watch these perfume videos, you want to know what it smells like. No, I'm not telling you. This is very, oh god, it smells like nail polish. It's mature smelling. It has a toops of rose, one little toops almost in there as well. It's okay. It's okay. This I would definitely wear in the daytime. You know how, I don't know if you know the pink Prada candy, but the other one has more of a sweeter smell. This one just have undernotes of sweets in it. It's not that sweet as the other candy is, as the other Prada candy is. So I really hope that helps. So this one is, these are done. This is Juicy Couture, and it's the one that has the pink bow. And you guys know Juicy Couture. I mean, I love the smell. I had gotten tired of the smell at one point. I started wearing this around the house because I just got tired of the smell. But it is it's sweet, musky. I love it. Musky scent, sweet scent, anything with vanilla. That is like my thing, man. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Yeah, so that's that. The next one is a Britney Spears perfume, and I think this is Circus, and this is just really fresh. Like, this is definitely a daytime perfume. You spray it on if you're just, you know, heading on the road during the day. This is very fresh. It's slightly youthful and has a little bit of a rose smell in there as well. That was Britney Spears Circus. And these last two I'm going to show you are the ones that I am just like, oh my god, I can't believe I own these. And this is the Nicki Minaj perfume, and I kept the box. Yes, it's stupid but chop. So the box just looks like this. It has her face there, her name, her face, the animated light, and then her name again. That's all? Yeah. So this is Pink Friday, and this one is, oh, I should probably tell you guys what size this is. The 1.7 fluid ounce. And yeah, let's just tell you guys what it smells like. This, I like how this one smells. This kind of smells like Prada candy. It kind of smells like, in the sense that it has that candy kind of a scent as well. Have no reason to spray it, but you know how it go. Yeah, this is definitely a candy. I really have to go Jamaican for this. It smells like sweetie, like sweetie. Yeah, man, this smell like sweet. This is more of a sweet smell. I wouldn't say this is for if you like the more mature scent. I definitely would not advise this because it is more of a candy smell. Yeah. So the next one is this one, and oh, I don't know. I normally throw my perfume bottles, but I don't know how I'm going to throw these two Nicki Minaj perfume bottles. Simply because just the presentation of it is epic. I cannot believe that. I mean, it freaks some people out that I have to take her head off, but I don't care. I mean, just the presentation of it. It's like you don't want to throw the bottle away. You don't want to. You want to keep it on a vanity, on a dresser, wherever, as like a collector's item. That's how good it looks. So this one is the same as the other, where you have her face right here, which I like this picture more than the Pink Friday one. Then you have her name, name. Then you have Majesty. Oh, so this is Majesty. I never know. Majesty, then her name, and of course her face. So for this one, I hate the smell of this one. I do not like it. I do not like it at all. It's Majesty. It smells very, there's a scent in there I can't, it's like, it smells like a fruit that I can't put I don't know what it is. But I don't like this scent at all. I really don't. Let me spray. Yeah, I'm not feeling this. I mean, I smell a little bit of candy in there, that candy scent, but it has a fruit in it that I can't put my finger on, that I don't like. So for this one, if it's a special night, hint, if it's a special night, I'll definitely put that on, because it's still it's a collector's item, and it is not as expensive. It's not expensive at all. It's not expensive. I bought all my perfumes on fragrancenet.com. So everything that I'm showing you was bought from fragrancenet.com. I mean, it's okay. It's definitely a day perfume, but it's hell no not my favorite. I already told you guys my two favorite, Versace and Flash. Like, when I go back, I'm going to purchase the big one for both of them, because it's just that good. So this one is the Rihanna perfume, which I've been dying to get. The Pink Friday and this Rihanna perfume, those are my two top celebrity fragrances that I really wanted. For her packaging, she has a sleeve, so I think this is pretty cool. Yeah, so it's Rebel Floor by Rihanna, and she ain't wearing no bra, and she didn't have the tattoo at the time, Rancho. But yeah, so it goes around, nothing there. Then it's like the shadow of the bottle, and then nothing there. It's pretty nice and simple. And of course the box inside has the trademark going all around like that. So yeah, so this is Rebel Fleur by Rihanna, and this one smells this one is definitely mature smelling, but I love this. This what I wore for my birthday. I can't, oh my goodness. Okay, so it has a mature smell, definitely a night perfume, hands down, because it can't, I mean, you can't wear it during the day. When I say night perfume, it just means it's a little bit heavier, you know what I mean? It's a bit more sexy then, if you will. So whenever you hear me refer to a perfume as night perfume, I'm referring to the fact that it's a bit more sexier, it's a bit more sexy, it's not that playful, it doesn't have that much candy notes running through it. Yeah, I don't know what to say. I mean, it smells good. But yeah, so yeah, that's basically it. That is basically it. But if you're going to get any of these at all, I would definitely recommend Twilight Woods from Bath and Body Works. Of course, Versace Bright Crystal, definitely. Flash, Jimmy Choo, Heller. I need to spray these two because I'm like, no, gotta keep it. I recommend the Prada Candy, but the pink one. This one is okay, but the pink one, I just fell in love with the pink one. And if you like the whole playful scent, probably Juicy Couture, maybe, yeah. But my top 3 I recommend definitely Twilight Woods, Versace, and Jimmy Choo. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for requesting. I like doing videos like these because I love watching videos like these. Next I'll be working on my makeup collection video. I don't have a lot of makeup, but I'm still working on how to organize, but it's just going to take a lot of time because every time I do a makeup tutorial, everything is just thrown all over the place all over again. So yeah, alright, so that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I love doing videos like these. I love watching collection videos. I love doing videos like that. I love it, love it, love it. Yeah, let me know what other collection video you want to see. Brush collection, lip liner collection, eyeliner collection, I don't know, lipstick collection, I don't know, just whatever. I will not be doing my lighting setup. I have new lighting. I have box lights now instead of using the strips. I have box lighting now, so I will not be doing that kind of a room tour because this room is a mess right now. Y'all just see the good side of the room. Y'all don't see over there. Y'all do not see over there. So yeah, I'm done. I'm gonna start shots and I'm gonna let you can gland easy. I sing a thank you. Big up yourself.